Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, and I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be doing a get to know me tag. If you have ever wondered who this babe right here is,
what she does she work, is she a student, is she educated, is she married, does she have kids, where does she live, where does she grow up,
all of those questions, we want some answers. Please keep watching because this is the video. Let's get into it. So I'll be using my phone to ask the questions because I wrote them down earlier. First question is, where did you grow up? I grew up in different countries. I grew up in Nigeria, and when I was 11, that was when I moved to Italy. So I spent my teen years in Italy, and then I'm now here in the UK. Where do you currently live? I live in the UK, like I said. So the third question, dogs or cats? None. None. I don't do pets. I don't do animals. But I find them cute, cute from afar, but I wouldn't keep any as a pet, sorry. I'm scared of animals. I'm scared of animals. But that's my problem though. But I do find them cute, cuddly, but I wouldn't keep any. Are you in or have you gone to college? College in this term would mean university. Yeah, I've gone to uni. I studied business economics. My course was basically full economics. The business bit of it was basically international corporations. That was really tiny, so it was mainly economics. What year were you born? Guess. Can you guess? Okay, I was born on October 95. Most of the time people say, oh, you look 16, you look 18, you look underage, all of that. Basically, I look younger than my age. Just comment down below how old you are thinking in your mind. Yeah, I would really like to know. The amount of time I've been told that I look younger than my age, like, it's ridiculous. I used to get angry, but now I'm just like, girl, that's the aim. That's the aim, isn't it? What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink at the moment is tropical juice. Yeah, tea or coffee. I don't do coffee, so tea all day every day. I'm not a coffee person. Your favorite YouTubers? I have quite a few. I would say Dima Ume, she's a Nigerian YouTuber. Then you have CCME, she's a Nigerian YouTuber. Then you have Patricia Bright, which is a UK YouTuber. Like, of course you know who she is. And then you have Jackie Aina, of course. Like, everyone knows Jackie Aina. Recently, Alisa, the twin. I like the series that she's doing at the moment, the one that she's transforming herself into some famous celebrities, doing the wigs, the war, and all of that. Who else? Shalom Black. I've been enjoying her decoration videos. And then Mela Child as well. Her vibe is different, but she's definitely fun. I watch so many other people depending on my mood, my vibe, the type of content I feel like watching. That's it. Do you speak any languages and how well? I speak 3 languages. So I speak Igbo, which is my, would I say, mother tongue. I'm an Igbo babe. My English is fluent.
A few moments later.
What age you thought I was? Age you thought I am. And then I speak Italian because obviously I've lived there, I schooled there, so of course I would know Italian. So those are the 3 languages that I know. Speaking 3 languages is not easy. It's not easy. Next question. Are you single or taken? Girl. I'm married. I'm married with 2 kids. How would you describe your fashion sense? My fashion sense is quite, would I say, simple, affordable, and girly. Like, I love girly stuff. I love being girly, looking girly, and all of that. But my fashion sense is very basic, very simple, and very affordable. Like, I love a good bargain. I think I only shop discounted stuff because I'm cheap like that. I believe you don't have to spend so much to look good, but then at some point you have to spend, you know, a tiny amount of money on a good luxury bag. It doesn't have to be Gucci. At the moment, I've started off with Tory Burch. They're not that expensive. What is your go-to hairstyle? My go-to hairstyle is basically wearing wig. Putting on the wig and then leaving the house. This one that I'm wearing now, I wouldn't wear this out every day. I have like shorter wigs I wear out. Don't worry, I'll be showing you guys all of my wigs. I'm planning on doing a video on my wig collection inspired by Patricia Bright. She did something like that, so I'll be doing a video like that. So please comment down below if you'd like me to do that, and yeah, I would gladly do it. Like, I've been thinking about it, so please let me know. It should be fun. How many siblings do you have? I have 3 siblings, so 2 elder brothers and a younger sister. What is your go-to fast food? Fast food would be Chinese takeaway. I always order the same thing, black bean sauce with beef. I always order from the same restaurant. Because when you get that good one, girl, don't let it go. Don't go and be trying other restaurants because you might be disappointed. So I stick with one. How many countries have you traveled to? I've not really traveled to any countries apart from the ones that I've lived. So Nigeria, Italy, and now UK. I was planning on, you know, going to places this summer, but with what's happening, you know, obviously it's not happening. It's definitely not happening this year, but hopefully next year I would like to go to some European countries. I'll start from there and then we see. What social media are you addicted to? Guess. I don't know if to say YouTube or Instagram. I think YouTube. Because I actually watch YouTube more than I watch Netflix. So yeah, I would say YouTube. Another one would be Instagram, but I believe the question is just, you know, yeah, I should just pick one. So I would say YouTube because yeah, I spend a lot of time on YouTube watching stuff. Like, it makes me happy. YouTube is more fun. That's all of the questions. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope now you know you have a little idea of who this babe right here is, and I hope we connect more. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me at Ihechi_U. I will leave a link down below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so yet. I will see you in my next video, and please stay safe. Bye.